Well, as the Blaze saga continues, we did drag this one out of a field in Greenville. Been sitting about 3 years. He parked it, his reverse was out. He was driving fine, just fine. But I tried to get it, it wouldn't crank up. The motor actually was seized up on it. Setting, pulled the plugs out, put some lubrication in there. Was able to get the motor freed back up. But we discovered the fuel pump wasn't coming on, so we went down that road. We're about to see what happens now. Well, after 3 long years, it's kind of running. You know, I'm sure we got some bugs in here to work out, you know, vacuum leaks and whatnot. But it runs. It definitely ain't locked up. So the original reason this thing even got punked was because the reverse was out. But we wanted to get it running and everything before we pulled the trigger on putting the transmission in it. But we did end up replacing the whole fuel system, fuel pump, filter, spider injection, and now it's running. We're gonna go ahead and do the transmission. Do a little time-lapse video for y'all on that. Y'all can watch it happen. He's already got the drive shaft out and a couple things unplugged. He's working on the exhaust now. But here y'all go.